Navigating through a swampy situation. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, swampy situation. This idiom paints a vivid picture and carries a deeper meaning than you might think at first glance. So, get ready to expand your understanding and usage of English idioms with us. A swampy situation refers to a difficult or complicated circumstance that is hard to navigate. Just like a real swamp, which is an area of land saturated with water, making it tough to walk through, a swampy situation is filled with problems or complications that make it hard to see a clear way out. This idiom is a metaphor for feeling stuck, bogged down, or overwhelmed by a set of problems. To bring this idiom to life, let's look at a few examples. Navigating office politics can often feel like a swampy situation, where every step must be taken carefully to avoid sinking. Dealing with bureaucratic paperwork for a new business can turn into a swampy situation, where the complexity and volume of tasks feel overwhelming. Managing personal relationships sometimes becomes a swampy situation, especially when miscommunications and emotions run high. Understanding how to incorporate swampy situation into your conversation will not only enrich your vocabulary but also make your language more colorful and expressive. Here are some examples. I'm trying to figure out my taxes, but it's turned into a real swampy situation. Our project was going smoothly until we hit a swampy situation with the supplier. He found himself in a swampy situation when he tried to mediate the argument between his two friends. Congratulations! You've just navigated through the meaning of the idiom, swampy situation. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this expression in your daily English communication. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about conveying images and emotions that resonate with our experiences. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to step into the swampy situations of language learning. You'll find your way through. See you in our next video.